Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on how to tie a simple bow gele or head wrap tutorial. So that is the full length of the asoke hair tie that I'm using, and the ratio for this style or the measurement is 50-50. Okay, so you have to fold it into two in a straight form, which is exactly what I have done. The asoke that I'm actually using today is the small asoke, and we've used it over and over, so the texture is not really there. But if you want to do yours, try and use a headgear that has a good texture. So now I'm starting to tie from the back, and remember it has to be 50-50, that is into two equal halves from the middle. She had to place her two hands on both ears to secure the gele so that as I tie it, it will not keep shifting. So all I just have to do now is to tie it very well. As you can see, make sure that it is firm. And as you tie, make sure to arrange in between so that you have a neat work. My new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family. You're welcome. And to my friends that have always been here supporting me, thank you so much. I do not take it for granted at all. So now that I have tied it firmly, I'm just going to secure the back, pin it down to make it neat, but I left an opening which I will be needing later. So I'm using my pins now to pin very well. This is a very simple head wrap. It's not difficult at all, and it's also self-explanatory. Just follow the steps. It's easy. So now that I'm done with pinning at the back, I'm going to arrange to get it in place and also make it neat. Now that I'm done with that, to continue, I'm going to take one side of the hair tie, arrange it, and then tuck in the edges. It's important so that you get the right shape of the bow. Thereafter, I'm just going to keep folding it upwards. As you can see, just follow the steps. It's self-explanatory. Next, you place your hands on the middle like as if you're dividing it. As you can see, take the other one, twist it round and place it over it on the middle. Hold it down, twist, and then the opening I told you I left, I'm going to twist it and tuck it into the opening and then pin it all together to close it up, as you can see. So I'm just going to use my pins now to tuck in properly and then pin it down. At this point, if you are still watching and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Thank you so much. I like to pin my gele or head wrap very well. It's safer that way, so use a lot of pins if you have to, so it will be firm and well secured. So next is just to arrange the front, as you can see, into the bow shape. Okay, so you have to do this using pins as well. I took my time to pin it and arrange it for you to see. Okay, so this is what you continue to do until you feel that you are satisfied and you have gotten the right shape. I did the same thing on the other side. I had to pin it down to the base, okay, so that it feels very firm in place and it's not going to go anywhere. So basically that is it for this head wrap, and I hope you found it useful. So I continued to pin and I continued to arrange until I am very satisfied. Okay, so for this head wrap, it's simple, it is chic, and it's also elegant. You can rock this to any of your functions. Okay, so let me know what you think about this head wrap in the comment section. Do you like it? Would you rock it? Please let me know. I will be in the comment section, okay, to read all your comments. And she really loved it. She looks so beautiful. I did the makeup as well. Yes, this is so beautiful. I love it and I hope you love it too. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you did enjoyed watching. I'm still working on the best position to be filming this head wrap tutorial, okay? The next one is going to be better. Please bear with me. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you all greatly. Bye.